Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunil Yadav and thanks for watching my other video. So today I am going to show you about configuration, Windows device enrollment scope and understand the Azure AD enrollment. So basically what is the Azure AD? If you have a purely cloud-based environment, so if any users want to enroll your device, that user can directly enroll the device in Azure portal. So what is the meaning of Intune? If any device enrolled by Azure, that device should automatically come in your Intune portal for managing the device. Okay, so let me show you. So this is the Intune portal. So in a last video I have so this is the latest graphic user interface UI Microsoft has just released. So go to the devices. Inside devices, go to the little bit down. You can see here is the device enrollment. You need to click on the device enrollment. So these are the device enrollment based on the platform. If you want to enroll the any Windows enrollment, that should be come inside Windows enrollment. Like Apple environment, that it is it a basically these are the segregate like OS via OS platform. So if you have enroll Windows devices, that should come inside Windows enrollment. If you want Apple devices, that did come inside Apple devices. So in this video we can only focus on the Windows enrollment option. So you need to click on the Windows enrollment. So these are the options like automatic enrollment. So we need to click on over here. So these are the settings which required to which required to set the scope. What are the audience you want, what are the scope of audience you want to enroll the device in your Intune portal. So these are the three types. None, that means if you have selected this, none of the users can't enroll the device. And some, you suppose you want to you have did the some pilot phase or project, you need to identify some set of users, then you do the testing. So in that case you need to define the scope. Suppose you have a in your environment you have only on-prem network. In that case you need to uh, like uh, you need to Azure AD connect, and all objects should be uh, synced. Or if you have a fully cloud-based environment, in that case you need to create the dynamic group and scope the group of which audience you want to enroll the devices. Or if you have selected the all, that means all users can able to enroll the devices in Intune portal. So these are the settings you need to check in Intune portal. So I want to scope all of the users can able to enroll the devices. So just you need to, in my case I have already did, so I have selected this one and do the save it. Is it already saved? So this configuration done in a Intune portal, but we required some configuration need to check on the Azure portal as well for enrolling the devices. Go to the Azure portal. This is the Microsoft Azure portal. Go to the Azure AD and go to the devices. Then you need to click on the device setting. Here you can see is the Microsoft Azure AD joined. Is it a rename as the Azure AD is renamed as this one? So here is the scope. Suppose I have already explain in this section, but let me explain one more time. Suppose you work on any pilot or any kind of project, and your organization have provided some set of users, then you can do some pilot phase of configuration and present with your clients after get the proper approval for in like a go live. So in that case, you need to suppose you have a some set of users, you can have option, you can do the users which are users, or you can add the multiple group, or you can create the group. Suppose I want to only select the kiosk users, kiosk this, and I also want some of the another, like we have very limited dynamic group. You can create the multiple dynamic group as per your requirement. You can select the correct audience. Okay, let me suppose if I can only scope the kiosk device, then I can select this one. Here is the option, you can add multiple group at the same time, right? So if you have some set of user, you can create the separate group and add the users on the specific group. But you need to make sure all users should be have a Intune license. If user did not have any Intune license, you can't enroll the device. Okay, so these are the basic settings you need to set in Azure portal as well as the Intune side. After you have configured these are setting, now your tenant is ready to enroll the devices and domain join the devices. So these are the settings already did, that you can set it. If you have a none selected, none of the users can join the Azure ready. If you have some selected users, then you can select it. There is the first, you need to make sure all user must have the proper Intune, at least Intune license. Okay. So in my case, I selected all for any users can enroll the devices. So let me quickly show you how you can check the user have license or not. Go back to the users. Let we have a two users, let me create one more user, demo, demo. Okay, demo one. I can paste as this as the demo one. Edit, create it. Next. Suppose we created this another user at demo one. If I added this user on the any specific group which we had created earlier, but user is a part of the group, if you and you have associated this group on like this, you have associated the kiosk group, this one, like let me show. Suppose we have added this group, okay, and this user is also part of this kiosk group, but this user don't have any specific Intune license. In that case, if user try to enroll the device, that device should not enroll. That is failed because the user don't have a proper license. So how we can assign the license? Before assigning license, we need to add some other informations like region, locations. We need to fill the basic attributes, and let me Just a minute. Is it location? You need to at least assign the users in a space, at least one location. Is it a test environment? So we can assign as the India, save it, and also assign the licenses. I go to the at least Intune license should be assigned. These are the additional license. If you have, you can assign these license as well. But for the enrollment, Intune as the basic license must be assigned all users. So I did assign the license demo one users. After, if demo one user want to enroll the device in Azure, it able to enroll the device because we have scoped this specific group and demo one is a part of this group. So this is the very short lecture. So like you can, these are the basic settings. Before you want to enroll the device, you need to at least set what if you want any scope of the users, then you need to select some and tag the any device, any dynamic group or any static group which you want. Okay, so in a coming video we can show the end user experience how you can enroll the device, and I am also talk all device enrollment options like platform, all across all platform like Apple application, Apple enrollment, Android. So I will talk all these enrollments options in a coming video. Thanks, thanks for watching my video. Keep supporting and please do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends so it would be help me to reach the correct audience. Thank you.